English step by step, phrasal verbs without, step 2. In the step 1 video, I gave explanations and examples of 10 phrasal verbs without. In this step 2 video, you can find a practice exercise. So make sure you watch the step 1 video before you try these. So here's the practice exercise. It actually has 2 parts. First part is filling in the gaps, and you can see they're all questions, and I've put the phrasal verbs on the right on a list: eat out, come out, set out, etc. So you can make questions with these phrasal verbs, and for some of them you have to change the form of the phrasal verb into a different tense. So the second part of the exercise is thinking about how would you answer these questions. So you don't have to write them down. You can write down the words for the gaps, but just think about how can you use the phrasal verbs to answer these questions. And then when you've finished, you can move on to the step 3 video in which I'll talk about the answers. Now I'm going to leave these questions up for a minute so you can write down the answers, and of course you can pause the video if you need more time.